Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning products for your motorcycle. Alright, so I have an array of products right here that I use to keep my bike clean. Now it's turning spring, the weather's getting warmer, so we're going to be out riding our bikes. One of the first things that a lot of us do, I know not all of us do it, but we get our motorcycles looking good. We want them to look good for that first ride out. And what I do is I kind of have a process, and I am kind of religious about these products right here. A couple of them especially. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them. So we're going to start with washing. Now I'm talking about a good hand wash. If you want to do a good job, spend the time and get the bike sparkling and a good base for your detailing. And what I use is the Harley-Davidson Sunwash bike soap. What I really like about this product is it's formulated for washing in direct sunlight. So you don't have to worry about keeping your bike in the shade to wash it, because this stuff allows you to wash it right in direct sunlight. Does a really good job. Dilution, I mean, this stuff will last you at least 5 or 6 washes at the very least. I mean, I think I've owned 2 motorcycles in the last 3.5 years, and I've probably used 1 bottle. And I mean, this is a brand new bottle. It hasn't even been used yet. I still got a little bit left of another one. No, but that's really good stuff. Available at Harley-Davidson dealerships everywhere. It's about $7 for this little canister, and the stuff does a really good job. Now, to keep on with the whole washing aspect, I'm going to recommend this if you want to do a fast but decent job on getting your motorcycle clean, and that's the Total Cycle Cleaner S100. And I've used this stuff. I mean, it's about gone. I probably got enough for maybe a half a wash, maybe one wash left in this. I don't know, $8 or $9 a can. If you're wanting to do a really good fast job and you know you're in a hurry, this is probably the product for you. It's good at getting in those nooks and crannies real quick, but I gotta warn you, this product, you have to act fast with it. As soon as you spray it on, you gotta rinse it off. And I'm gonna recommend that you follow directions on this to a T, but this stuff does do a good job, and I think you'll be happy for the cost of that. Now, moving on down the line, one of my favorite products I have used, whether it's been on a motorcycle or my car or several other surfaces inside of my home even, has been the F11 top coat. I mean, this stuff it's liquid gold. It is a little pricey though. You're going to be coming in about $60 for a bottle of this. I mean, you get this bottle full, and then you get like a small little bottle like to take on the go, like a little detailing bottle to take on the go. You also get a couple of microfiber towels with it, which is good, but it is pricey. Use it sparingly. I mean, it does go a long way, and once used the right way, this stuff is fantastic. It's probably the best detailing sealer, clean, quick wash I've ever used. So this is really good stuff. Now, if you got a lot of chrome on your bike, you got metal and stuff you want to get clean, I'm going to recommend this stuff that I've been using for about a year now. This is the Blue Magic Metal Polish Cream. This is for chrome, aluminum, and mag wheels. This stuff's actually pretty good for, I don't know, $5, $6 for this little thing, and it goes a long way. I mean, it's really good stuff. I've used it on my chrome, on my Sport Glide. Works really good. Highly recommended, guys. This might be worth a try if you're in the market for a good polish cream for all your metal components on your motorcycle. So one more product I'm going to recommend you guys is the Original Bike Spirit Spray Cleaner and Polish. This will work for every surface just like the F11 will. I don't think it does just as good a job, but I mean, for under $10, you really can't beat the quality of what you get in this can. This stuff goes a long way. I think this is my 2nd can. I've been using this stuff for over 3 years too. Really good. You can find it probably at any local parts store or dealership. Very affordable, very, very well worth the money. I can't recommend this stuff enough to anybody that is looking for a good go-to. You can take it in your saddlebag. I mean, all this stuff you can probably carry with you in your bags or whatever, but I'm gonna say for the money, the Original Bike Spirits is probably gonna be your go-to. The F11, if you really wanna get a good showroom polish, clean and shine on your motorcycle or your car, this stuff's great. It's just, like I said earlier, a little bit pricey, but I think it's definitely worth it if you're not, you know, if money's no object. Well guys, that's all I got for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. Once again, if you like today's video, please leave a thumbs up. It helps out the channel tremendously. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that bell icon when you do. That way you know when I got videos out just like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with some photos from my recent vacation to Pittsburgh. Please enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy every mile, and I'll see you in the next video.